Hello, folks. I didn't do a garden video Wednesday because we still have the covers over the garden, and I done one Thursday, but when I thought I transferred to my phone, I deleted off my camera before I actually did transfer my phone. It's hard to do YouTube and work a job both. Anyway, this is our phony flower here we put out, usually have out here on the porch, and the fountain will be back this summer, this spring. It'll be too cold for them. It's not cold today. It's pretty warm out. Today is Friday, November the 3rd, and they say these marigolds are winter hardy, but didn't think about the frost, about covering them up. So the frost got these. I heard that that if you trim them down, the dead plants, put mulch down and keep them watered pretty well, they'll pop up during spring. I'm gonna try that. If that don't work, I'm gonna just put new seeds in this spring. We got our bird feeder in here to feed the birds during the winter. Doesn't feel like winter right now. We're not even supposed to get cold air for a while. Later on, I'm going to cut all these dead flowers down here and have them rebloomed this spring. And let's run down to the backyard here. Okay, here we are in the backyard here. Raspberries. Frost got some of them, but they'll be bouncing back up again anyway. And tomatoes, some of them don't look so great, the green tomatoes. You know, we had a moving blanket. They're pretty thick, the moving blanket. We have plastic on top of the moving blanket, and we figured that would keep the frost from going through, but somehow that frost went through the plastic tarps, the plastic sheeting, and the moving blanket. The moving blanket is really thick, you know. So anyway, I want to maybe next year try a frost blanket. Maybe put some kind of heating system inside the barrels. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. Anyway, so as you can see, dead leaves here. Thursday I did pick a few small grape tomatoes. I picked a lot of yellow jalapenos, no green peppers. Look, I got a bee out here, and it's autumn. Anyway, yeah, these are dead here. That don't look so good. See, it just fell right off. So I guess I'm done with my tomatoes. Beefsteak doesn't look that bad, actually. Beefsteak tomato, it doesn't look bad. It's still green. I'm going to see if anything will pop back up. There's another beefsteak down there. I did pick some grape tomatoes. Frost got this zucchini plant a little bit. We still got a zucchini right here. I don't know if you can see it. Usually my hand gets in the way. Right here. One zucchini plant right there. So, onions still doing good. And I picked some grape tomatoes off of here. Oh, I had a big jalapeno too. I got out of the barrel garden there. That survived. That was a large jalapeno. I'm gonna see if I can try to save a picture of that. Because I done my short video and I thought I had done my long one. It didn't work out too well. This one here, no, this had it. Now I'll throw that away. So I don't think I'm gonna get any much more of anything from this garden now. I did pick some pepperoncini. Even oh, here's one here. Oh, these are pretty big. I had a big red one too, pepperoncini. It's in the house right now. I'll show you a picture of that. This one, I'm not for sure about. This one pretty tough. Pretty stout. Yeah, Still got yellow peppers here, so I may get more of those. We'll see what happens. See, these leaves it doesn't look that bad here for some reason. And these leaves are sickening. The leaves of these jalapenos are pretty good. Even up there, the leaves are pretty good. So they may survive. So I'm going to have to figure out what to do next and show you what I done or will do. So most of these tomatoes will be trashed. And let me run to the strawberries. Okay, here we are at the strawberries. Now these strawberries, I had them over here under my studio here where I have this overhang and between the hot tub and the wall. That's where I usually keep them in the wintertime. I don't cover them up and they survive. And we took them out, we put them back on the wall here. We put straw on the soil. And strawberries looks pretty good. I even picked a few strawberries too Thursday. So strawberries are pretty cold resistant as far as I can find out, because I usually keep them out here all winter long without any problem. And let's run up to the porch here. Okay, here we are on the porch. And I explained to you that, I had to move this fountain inside the house because it was ice on it, and it was just 2 water sprouts spitting up from under the ice. But I put it back out here now. I'm going to keep it out here for the next 14 days anyway. It's not supposed to get that cold. That's my homemade fountain. And that's all I got for you right now. And Saturday or Sunday, I may have another video for you. This is a short video running down what happened. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Keep coming back. Until next time. Later.